Now our next article, that is the last article from that chapter, is conservation of angular momentum. The statement of conservation of angular momentum is if no external torque acts on a body, then angular momentum of the body remains constant. Now we see the proof of conservation of angular momentum. We know that angular momentum is represented by letter L. That means vector L equal to vector R cross P, where P is a linear momentum. If we differentiate it with respect to time, that equation becomes dl by dt is equal to d by dt in bracket vector R cross vector P. Now we solve this vector R cross P. We get dl by dt is equal to vector R dp upon dt plus dr by dt into vector P. But we know that this dr by dt is equal to V and dp by dt is equal to force F. We substitute this value here. We get therefore dl by dt is equal to vector R cross vector F plus vector V cross Vm into V. That means we know that linear momentum P equal to mass into velocity. Then velocity is a vector. So we substitute here value of P is equal to m into V. So we write this equation dl by dt is equal to vector R cross F plus m. Here is the V, here is the V, there is the cross product. So we can write in bracket vector V cross vector V. And last year we studied that cross product of same vector V vector cross vector V is equal to 0. So we get dl by dt is equal to tau, that is vector R cross F, that product is nothing but it is equal to torque, and torque is represented by letter tau. So we write here dl by dt is equal to torque tau. If we substitute torque equal to 0, then we get dl by dt equal to 0, that means L equal to constant. So we write angular momentum is conserved. Now we see examples of conservation of angular momentum. Here we write examples. Take first example, that is the ballet dancer. We know that when a ballet dancer comes together while taking into round of smaller radius, in this case moment of inertia of their system becomes minimum, and when the dancers outstretched their hands or legs, when they are outstretched, what happens? This increases the moment of inertia and reduces angular speed, and hence this is essential to prevent slipping. So that is the best example of law conservation of angular momentum. Similarly, second example is ice skating. While some boys are skating on the ice, when they keep their hand and legs close together, their moment of inertia should be smaller, and when they outstretched their hands and legs, their moment of inertia should be large. Similarly, third example of acrobat in a circus. And last example is the diving in a swimming pool. Now here in this year there is the Olympic sports of Tokyo 2020, and in that we know that when a diver stretches their body so as to increase the moment of inertia, immediately after leaving the board, when he jump on the board, they fold their whole body. This reduces moment of inertia. While entering into the water, they stretched their body into a streamline shape. So this allows them a smoothly entry in the water. So that is also the example of diving in a swimming pool. So these are about conservation of angular momentum. Now the last article of that chapter is rolling motion and linear acceleration and speed while pure rolling down on an inclined plane. These articles are deleted from your syllabus due to COVID-19 again. In this year also 25% of your syllabus is reduced. Now after that we have to continue the exercise of your text board.